rainbow experiment with floating colors. Good morning everyone. A warm welcome to you all. My name is Janvi Durgapal. I am doing my second experiment. For that I need 6 glasses, water bottle and 3 colors and tissue papers. First, I will add some water on the glass. First glass will be full. Second glass will be empty and third glass will be full. Fourth glass will be empty and fifth glass will be full. And sixth glass will be empty. Now I will add some color on it. Then I will add next color. Now I will add third color. Now I will keep tissue paper on it. Now I will leave it for few hours. Then you will see the magic. Now see the magic. Color is floating in the empty glass. It has become rainbow. Thank you.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.